You're watching the Katie vlog.
We get what we want. We do what you don't.
Katie vlog.
You're watching the Katie vlog.
You're watching my vlog.
We're young and we're bored. It's time to lose your mind and let the crazy out.
Hey guys, I'm still at the Cape and Matt's out with his grandfather mowing the lawn and I'm stuck here bored. So I'm catching up on all of you guys' vlogs and it's so pretty today and it's so hot. Look out the window. It's so pretty. Let me zoom in. While you're looking through a window, that's why that's great. But it's so pretty. So yeah. And that's what I'm doing for now. And then later, people are coming, so it won't be as boring. But ik liebe verdammt nochmal todeslecker schnitzel. Ik liebe verdammt nochmal todeslecker schnitzel. I was thinking, after the 200th vlog, I'm just gonna be at a loss for words. Cause I'll just wanna automatically just say German once a day. So what should I say? Should I have another, for the 200th vlog, should I have another competition where I just say, okay, give me another phrase in another language, or make me quack in front of people every day, or something? I don't know. So what do you guys think that I should do? Let me know. Bye. Alright, so we're about to go in the water. To go in the boat. Got my lifeguard. Or not lifeguard, life jacket. And then he goes, hey, watch out for, look, there's a coyote. I literally yelled, oh shit! And started running where there's nowhere to run. Fail, jerk! That really scared me. But you're in a bed.
Hi.
That's what I was just on.
She's petrified.
Hope you can see this. Might be my last video ever. I don't want it. We're going 5 miles an hour.
Actually less. It's not even reading on the miles per hour.
Why are you going so slow?
Because we're inside a channel, you have to obey the law. He's trying to stop coming out, but he's getting pushed by the wake.
What happened?
The size of this yacht trying to come out, but he's going sideways because of the current.
Why is it going sideways?
Because the boat's so big, the current's taking the side of the boat.
That blue boat over there is pulling that white one, and those two. We can't go past them. So they go left apparently.
Now this white one, as he's trying to slow down, is getting pushed by the current, and he's actually going sideways.
Yeah. We're gonna go underneath the bridge that I always take. So instead of going over it, we're gonna go under it.
We're gonna go under it.
See if they wave. I tried.
It's a diesel.
What?
The boat's a diesel, it's a cigarette boat. They're gonna open it up in about, I don't know, 25.
What do you mean a cigarette boat?
He's packing a shitload of horsepower. The size of this thing coming up. He's a doctor. It's always in this harbor. He's a doctor. 2.5 million for that boat.
No big deal.
No, chump change.
There's your boat on the top. I'm just kidding. face and some guy just waved at me. U.S. Corps Army, yeah, that thing. Bridge is going down for a train. I don't know if you can tell, but that's going down. Special mode. More than that.
Drifting all the way across.
You can't stop yourself. He's not doing that on purpose. Uh-oh, he's gonna get in trouble. The current's so strong, he can't stop. He's trying to stop for that. Oh no, they're gonna collide. They might. Oh crap. Oh no, they're just gonna be yelled at. Sit down, because I don't wanna die. That's the bridge that we drive over all the time. Yay! Now I'm sitting back down. That's the boat that people fish on instead. Yeah. Whoa. Scary. Really close. Hi, big film. Yes. Fantastic. Scary as all. I'm going back. We're gonna go right underneath it. Oh boy. This is kind of scary. I'm gonna make you look all the way up. Don't get sick. Just kidding. No. Oh Jesus.